Not in hurricane season yet, but
Inching closer.
the predictions are now coming out.
Yeah, they are. And one in particular comes from Colorado State University. They've been doing it for 35 years. They were the ones that started predicting the number of storms. And you really can't take much into it because we've talked about it before. In '92, Hurricane Andrew, Category 5 hurricane, hit southeast Florida, and that was the first storm, and there were only like 6 storms that season.
Yeah.
So well below average, but yet all it takes is one, right? That's the old adage there. Now, here's a look at that prediction. Now, it's always kind of interesting to look and see what the experts are saying, and this one in particular, Dr. Philip Klotzbach, who I've had a chance to meet and have dinner with several times, is predicting a fairly average season, maybe slightly above it, and that's due to a weak La Nina, which is expected to turn neutral. Last year we had a strong La Nina, and that meant a very active hurricane season. A warmer than usual West Atlantic, though, that would actually add to the possibility of an active season, but then it's cool in the East Atlantic. That would tend to take away from the number of storms. So there's a lot of variables at play right now, so pretty much the best guess is for an average season. There it is, 14 named storms, slightly above the average of 12, and 7 major hurricanes, which is fairly close, or 7 hurricanes, I should say, and 3 major hurricanes, which is one above the average, which is usually 2. So we'll see how it plays out. The coast of the East Coast United States and Florida has a slightly above average compared to what we've seen over the years of getting hit by one of those storms. The reason why, again, the warmer than average water temperature here in the Western Atlantic, also cooler than average water temperatures over the North Atlantic as well as into the East Atlantic will possibly knock the number of storms down. But along the East Coast from Florida Peninsula all the way up to Maine, a 39% chance for an East Coast hit. The average is at 31%. So there you have it. We'll wait and see. We have less than 2 months before the official start to the hurricane season. Lakewood Ranch webcam showing some high cirrus clouds around. Should be great weather for tomorrow. Music on Maine. We'll try to be there live for you, and should be some good music as well. We have some showers down to our south associated with that old frontal boundary. Nothing going on here. It stays quiet, and looks as though we won't see any rainfall here until late Saturday. Mainly Saturday evening and into Saturday night. Temperature 69, cooler in Pensacola, 66 in Jacksonville. It's 10 degrees warmer now. Into Orlando, 75 in Miami, and temperatures right near the water where the water temperature is 76. It's a little bit milder there. 77 in Sarasota, 83 in Arcadia, and 82 at Lake Placid, and in Venice it's 75. Currently it's a couple degrees warmer at the airport. The humidity is what's so nice. It's at 46%. Winds are out of the north-northwest at 12. And as far as the photo goes, here from Norm Schimmel getting this today, and a beautiful day out there it was. The high was 83. 79 is our average, so we were above it on both ends there, low and high, but the humidity was so low it made it feel a little bit cooler out there. Tomorrow's forecast calling for lows in the low 60s to start things off. We'll warm up into the low 80s. No real threat of any rainfall here until we get, as I said, till late Saturday. Well, the big story is the massive snowstorms that continue to move across parts of the northern tier of states of the United States. There's going to be 3 consecutive storms that will have an impact over the Great Lakes, the upper Mississippi Valley, and out in California. Boy, they're getting hammered by some very heavy rainfall there. Well, here's a look now at the boating forecast for us tomorrow. East winds turn to the southwest at 10 knots. Not bad. Seas right around 2 feet with a light chop on the bays and inland waters as far as the 7-day forecast goes. Well, here it is. Looks good. Friday, 50% chance for showers late Saturday night and late Saturday evening into Saturday night. That rain chance at 50%. Most of the day on Saturday should be okay. Notice temperatures stay fairly close to seasonal averages right through the next 7 days. A slight chance for a few morning showers on Sunday, Monday. That's late again as another system, fast moving, moves on in. We'll have a 50% chance for showers on Tuesday. Back to you.